lady is walking around with me, and I tell her, you will be alright. And I see yes, you look wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you don't realize how much I love you. We go to go home now. I got it in here, so I give in the darkest. I share hands to him. I let tell her, so we'll look alright. Oh my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Oh my darling, you look wonderful tonight.